Hey caregivers, a quick tip on how to take a disposable undergarment off without taking off the pants and the shoes. I want to give a big shout out to all of our CNAs working. They're hard workers every day, and I actually learned this tip from them. So here we go. When you are taking your loved one to toileting, don't forget that you can actually rip these undergarments from the side so that you can take them off before they sit down, so these easily rip from the side. So when you go to put one back on, what you're going to do is this. So you're going to take one leg hole, okay, so I've got this here. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put one side, one foot in here, all right. Now I'm going to take the other leg hole and I'm going to take it up through this side of the pants. So I'm coming down through this leg and I'm going to grab that side. And I'm pulling it up just like this. And I'm pulling the whole pant up through there. Still have that leg hole. Now I'm taking it down. I'm taking it down through this side. So I'm going to come through here. And I'm going to grab it just like this. I'm taking that, putting it right over the shoe, just like that. Then I'm coming right back in here. And I'm grabbing the sides and pulling them up, just like that. So there you have it, changing a disposable undergarment without taking off the pants or the shoes.